Yep.
This is a Makita 5402NA. It's a circular saw, a big heavy duty circular saw. It's 16 and 5/16, I think is the blade. I just want to do just a quick test just to show you that it's working. It's got a safety switch over here that you have to push before you pull the trigger. It's really got some torque to it. So you can see it's running. 5402NA, 16 and 5/16 blade, 15 amps, 120 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. It does have a etching on it where it looks like somebody marked. It's not a name. It says HDO1 7213, where somebody scratched that on there. Just so you know, it looks like it's a former rental. That's a heavy duty saw.